here. Um, Looks like we're already up and running, which was actually pretty quick. Let me just double check Twitch and YouTube, make sure everything there is okay. Channel. Alright, so it looks like I am live on Twitch at 1080/60. And now let me go to youtube.com. And now we'll check that here. 1080/60. And now let me. Okay, well, there was that. I'm gonna mute my desktop audio for now. So it looks like that is working. Um, Also at 1080/60, which is good. All right. So welcome back to another live stream. It's been a while since I've done anything like this, a few weeks maybe, but we're gonna be working on NPCs for the NPC update, but we're about to look at some bugs that I'm trying to squash. So if we just play. And I already have this print string set up to show what actor is overlapped by my interaction. I'm gonna turn that down for myself. So if you walk around, you can see that you won't get the vendors, you'll get the child test, and I think you'll get, yeah, and you will get the childs, but you will not get either guard, which means that you can't hit them. But you can hit, if I can actually hit them correctly. But given that case, obviously the guards do work, except they don't do damage. So I have to work on damage giving and taking. And that is where this is at this moment in time. So obviously I have to figure this out. So inside my combat player character, there is this interact, not spelled correctly, that when on overlap, it gets the other actor and it sets that to be that. So I want to try and figure out if I try and set actor. Oh, can't do that. Whatever. Um. Also, decide to open up Discord, I guess. Might be something nice to have open. Bring this over here. And all right. Anywho, try and figure this out, shall we? So obviously we have this actor, which it recognizes the child test, which is interesting. I'm trying to find out if there is something that allows it to see it rather than guess I can do a quick Google search. Maybe it has to do with how the meshes. The meshes collision. So this is a character mesh. What are the guards? Also a character mesh. Let me bring this next to the Vepler guard. And now we're going to bring this down. So it looks like that the collision is the exact same. Nice to know. But this is getting very interesting. Now let me compile and save this. What about here? Um, Okay, hold on. Let's go to my NPC test child. Collision. This is gonna be right here. Possibly. Let's see what else we got. Dash. PC base. This is the top level. Alright, so my only thing I can guess is that it has to do with the AI controller, which is the GPAIC in the AI behavior toolkit. Okay, so let's make the Vepler guard the NPC controller. I don't know how well that'll work, but let's open it up, see what's inside. Okay. Alright, so that breaks him. Okay. That breaks the Vepler guard, so let's bring this back to BPAIC. I gotta figure this out. Let's see. Going through some stuff here. So it's NPC demo is seeing certain not seeing certain characters. Do that. Interesting. Alright, so I doubt it's in the regular medieval citizen O1 event graph. Um okay. Oh, for some reason it's just not seeing this. Alright, let's see. Alright, so maybe I do need to add this back. I think. I don't know. But it's also not seeing any of these, but like it's seeing that. But it's not seeing these guys. So it's definitely really interesting how this works. Um, we know it's the NPC demo. I can actually delete this guard base. That's my failed attempt at a guard, which we have now. So I guess we should just look at the difference between guard, which is a parent of NPC base, NPC demo. Either the two top level. Maybe it's something here. I just opened up the wrong one. NPC demo, and AI behavior toolkit, blueprint, base. So obviously we have this boost component, which is not in this. We have the AI storage trigger component. We'll bring, if it doesn't crash, obviously. And then I guess I can also post it on the Unreal forums. Well, but we'll do that if I can't figure it out. Yeah, obviously this is me. And this is overlapping everything. Overlaps pawns, all that fun stuff. So my player should be fine. It should just be an issue with the guard itself. Um, let's also grab the child and figure out. So this is targeting, stats, navigation, invoker, and inventory. So obviously this needs as a collision. So it does need inventory component. Okay. Um, Make sure the stats are initialized. And we'll get at the new AI stats to make sure it works. Okay. Okay, so it's registering. Actually, we can just delete him. So it's not registering the shopkeepers or the guards. So let's bring in NPC base and a NPC demo. So let's see if it registers any of the top level. So at least now we'll be able to decide who and what I gotta look for. So this Not look at demo. Also base. It's weird as well. Okay, so this is weird. The character itself is ignored by pawn, but it should be blocked by everything. Ignore for player only. I don't know why, but it should. Okay, now let's see if this works. So still nothing yet. Okay. What if I bring my combat player character off screen? Like so. So I can watch it debug. And now I want to press play. Shift F1 to debug myself. Guessing fixing this dang FPS is something I should probably also do. It's just plain out not seeing them at all. Alright, so what's causing only the children to see it? Okay. Even all of that shouldn't work. So what if I bring in an original? An original citizen. So not like the random encounter one, but like, or the child, but the original. Does it register the original if it's messed up? Okay, so it registers citizen. So we will bring in the citizen. Delete it. Bring it back. And I'm also just going to quickly change the mesh to be the correct one. Doesn't matter that much, but at least now it looks a little bit better. Alright, so now this is a child of NPC demo, which, as we know, is good. And then that should be it. Now, technically, now if I bring in the NPC demo, and let's put it, actually, let's open up Black Hollow Capital just so I can see where I'm putting it. So if I put it over here, theoretically, I should be able to just walk up and it should say NPC demo, which it does not, and its collision's still messed up. I thought I just fixed it. Or wait, or is it the capsule? Not the capsule. It has to be the mesh. The mesh is a character mesh with the pawn as a... Why is it ignoring it? Custom. Here, let's just do. And what was that thing called on my character? Combat player character. I don't even know why I had my headset. I have my headphones on. I can just take these off. Here. Adjust my chair too. I don't know how long the stream's gonna be. I don't even know if I'm even gonna do this that long. Alright, so that's the capsule collision. Theoretically, another thing I can do. That's good. Yes. What if I make this instant editable and it spells on font for whatever reason? Oh, I want to do a print. I just want to get everything's display names real quick. Because theoretically, I should be able to walk up to something and just see, like, alright, so it's getting, so this overlap component is the interact. The other actor. I don't know. It should allow it. Let me move my microphone out of the way just for a second. Let's move it up here. Might even work up here still. I'm not even sure. Issue. Okay, so let me shift F1 over here. Control Shift S. Copy. Let me. Okay, so I just added that or whatever. Okay, why is it only 7 FPS right now? If I close Chrome, close that. Okay, for some reason, my CPU has just decided to crap itself at 87 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna let it take a second. I'm gonna actually close out of Unreal Engine for a minute. Let it simmer down a little bit. Apparently it's OBS Studio that's causing an issue. I don't know if that's gonna work. Alright, let's try and open this up again. See what happens. I want to check something here real quick. I'll move that around. Open up Crewin. Let it load some more. I don't know if it's gonna be able to work or not, but I guess we'll find out. Guess we'll find out if we actually can continue the stream or not, because I'm literally out of luck when it comes to figuring out what is wrong with the interact. Because it should just find it. They're all actors. For some reason, it's only registering these dang children. Childs. That's one thing I can do. Don't make it as long. Because the half height is 300. I can probably make it 200. Bring it closer. That's probably good. Make it 100 units smaller. You still have a decent reach. So maybe we should just make it like 150. And there, now his reach isn't as big. You overlap everything and generate overlap events. So we're gonna try this. Try the Vepler guard. Get a copy, promote a variable. Not there. So yeah, see, you can't do that. Has to be of an actor, which it is. It's an actor. It is an object reference of said actor. So that should be fine. You know, I need to figure out where it does the applied damage, or where my combat player character does apply damage. Find the set hit actor. Let's find the hit actor. Hit result. Yeah, there's this actor. This is how I can't figure it out. So this is where the actor is. That's where they attack it. So obviously the attack would work. We found out why the actor is not picking up that actor. I'm not sure either. But I guess we'll work on a spawner next. Let's go to... I guess instead of guards, I guess we'll just look at the next place. So let's go to Draco's Den. We're now going to... Of course, we're going to auto-save again. Can't have enough auto-saves, but also, God. Does it every single time I start to do something. Okay. Anywho. Create. Actually, no, we're not going to create a new level right now. We're just going to get that spawner. Spawner. Spawn extent 600 and 600 by 100. Looks like we're going to have to double that or triple that. So let's do 3,000 by 5 by 6,000. Now we're gonna spawn in the child. We're gonna spawn 200 of them here. And now we're also gonna go grab that player start. Delete that. Make sure they spawn on the ground and slowly. And now we're gonna pause it and we're just gonna watch or play it and we're gonna watch it work. And we're not gonna worry about the LOD issue. Wow, I'm stuck. Ugh. Wow, that failed a lot. Alright, well, I think I'm going to end the stream here at this point because I am just not sure what to do at the moment. I'm going to do some more research and I'll probably do another stream of it tonight. So